Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to block your pattern or your project. So the easiest way and the cheapest way is just like a hack. I'm going to tell you. And this is a mat. You can find this type of mat in the section, a gym section from any supermarket. You can get these type of mats. It's actually a floor mat. If you can see the corners, you can take this off and you can add another square of this mat and make it more bigger in size. So you can get these mats over there, and it's around, you can say $15 for two, and it's and this is around 50 centimeter in a square, so it's a good size, and you can make it if you only getting the one pack. Two comes in one pack, and you can use it for your granny scares and your small projects. And I'm using it this back side because the other side I showed you, this one, is bit harder. So if you're using common pins, so it's hard to push the pins in here. But if you have these type of blocking pins, it's easy, but it needs some pressure to put it inside. So I'm using at the back side. You can see the back side of this is very soft, and you can add these pins in here, or you can use the common pins, these type of pins if you want. So it's easier, you can use it in here. So easier, and because if you buy the mat, the proper mat for this blocking, it's very expensive, and for this size and the smaller than this size, only one mat you can get around $50. So if you get only this 2 mats or 4 mats, it's cost you $30. And if you want, you can buy these type of pins, but you can work with these pins as well. So the one thing is, just spray the water on your project and just squeeze it. Like, you have to just damp your cloth, not make it too much wet. Just place it on your mat like this and push the pins in the corner like this, you can see. So you can push the pins all around your work like this, and keep going. I will show you from here. And if you don't have a pins, or you have these blocking pins, you can get it in the set like this. You can buy it from Temu. I bought it from Temu, and it's a very good quality. You can see the quality of these pins. Okay, so you can put this one, and now you have to stretch it. Stretch your work a bit and put the pins like this. If you are buying this set, it comes in 2 sizes, a smaller size and in the wider size. And it's not too expensive. It's just I think for $14 or $15 for this box. Okay, so there is one pattern, one method I show you right now. Damp your cloth and put the pins and let it dry by itself. Another way of doing it, you can put your dry project and pin up, and what you can do, the steam iron, just steam iron on the low pressure of steam. I will show you right now. So just put the very low pressure of steam. Don't touch your project, just 1 inch above the project. Just do like this, give a steam, and that's it. Your project is ready straight away. So this is another method of blocking your project like this. If you don't have a steam iron, you can use the other iron, but make sure you can put some layer of fabric on the top of your project. But that's a bit risky sometimes, because we don't want our stitches to be pressed like a paper. So better if you can just damp your cloth. If you don't have a steam iron, just moist it a little bit with spray, or you can just sprinkle some water on the top of your project like this and just let it dry by itself. So that's the easier way to do the blocking of your project. So I do my project like this. Okay, it's very economical and easier to do, and it's not take too much space for the blocking. So that's how I did. I hope you like it. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.